Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The name alone sends a surge of pride through the veins of every Indian. A king who was not just a warrior but a visionary. A ruler who sowed the seeds of Swarajya, self-rule, in the face of oppression. Today, let us delve into the life of this extraordinary leader, from before his birth to the enduring legacy he left behind. Our story begins in the year 1627, a time when India was dominated by the Mughal Empire and regional powers like the Adil Shahi Sultanate of Bijapur. Amid this turbulent period, Shahaji Raje Bhosle, a valiant Maratha noble, served as a general in the Adil Shahi court. His wife, Jijabai, was a woman of unparalleled courage and devotion. Her dream? To raise a son who would liberate the land from tyranny. One fateful night, under the sacred skies of Shivneri Fort, a divine prophecy unfolded. On 19th February 1630, Jijabai gave birth to a son, whom they named Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The name itself was derived from goddess Shivai, a mark of blessings from the deity. This child was destined to change the course of Indian history. Shivaji Maharaj grew up at Shivneri Fort, surrounded by tales of valor and dharma narrated by Jijabai. Her teachings instilled in him a deep sense of justice and compassion. Shahaji Raje ensured his son was trained in martial arts, horse riding, swordsmanship, and the intricacies of statecraft. Though young, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was quick to grasp the socio-political dynamics of the region. He observed the exploitation of common people by feudal lords and dreamt of a kingdom where every individual, regardless of caste or creed, could live with dignity. At the tender age of 16, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj began laying the foundation of Swarajya. He strategically captured Todna Fort in 1646, marking the first step towards his independent kingdom. Soon, forts like Chakan, Kundhana, later renamed Sinhagarh, and Rajgarh fell under his control. These victories were not just military conquests, they were symbolic acts of defiance against the oppressive rule of the Mughals and the Adil Shahis. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's military brilliance lay in his innovative tactics. He introduced guerrilla warfare, known as Ganimi Kawa, which utilized speed, stealth, and surprise to outmaneuver larger armies. As Shivaji Maharaj's influence grew, he became a thorn in the side of the Adil Shahi Sultanate. Afzal Khan, a formidable general, was sent to eliminate him. The encounter at Pratapgarh Fort in 1659 is the stuff of legend. Afzal Khan tried to embrace Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj under the pretense of peace, intending to stab him. But Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, ever cautious, wore armor beneath his clothes and carried a concealed weapon, the Vagnak, tiger claws. When Afzal Khan attacked, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj countered with lightning speed, killing him and leading his troops to a decisive victory. This event cemented his reputation as an invincible warrior. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's growing power alarmed the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. The two clashed repeatedly, but Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's strategic brilliance kept the mighty Mughal forces at bay. In 1666, Aurangzeb lured Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj to Agra under the guise of reconciliation, only to imprison him. But Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was no ordinary captive. Through sheer ingenuity, he and his son, Sambhaji, escaped by hiding in baskets meant for sweet deliveries. This daring escape became another testament to his indomitable spirit. The year 1674 was a turning point in Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's life. He ascended the throne as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, formally establishing the Maratha Empire. The coronation was not merely a ceremony, it was a declaration of Swarajya to the world. With the guidance of his Prime Minister, Moropint Trimbak Pingal, and spiritual advisor, Gaga Bhatt, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj implemented administrative reforms that prioritized justice, agriculture, and naval power. Yes, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was one of the first Indian rulers to recognize the importance of a strong navy. He fortified coastal defenses and built a fleet to safeguard his kingdom from foreign invaders. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's governance was ahead of its time. He abolished oppressive taxes and established a fair revenue system. His administration was inclusive, respecting all religions. Unlike many rulers of his era, he forbade his troops from harming women or desecrating places of worship, embodying the highest ideals of morality. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a family man who deeply respected his mother, Jijabai, and cherished his children. His son, Sambhaji, was trained to carry forward his legacy, though Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj ensured all his commanders were equally skilled. His personal life, marked by simplicity and discipline, reflected his philosophy of putting duty before self. Throughout his reign, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj captured over 300 forts, securing a vast territory that stretched from the Konkan coast to the Deccan Plateau. His military campaigns were marked by precision, planning, and unparalleled courage. Among his most famous campaigns was the recapture of Kondhana Fort in 1670. Led by the brave Tanaji Malusre, this battle exemplified the Maratha spirit. Though Tanaji fell in battle, his sacrifice ensured victory, prompting Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj to remark, "Gad ala pan sinha gela, we gained the fort, but lost a lion." On 3rd April 1680, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj breathed his last at Raigad Fort, leaving behind a legacy that would inspire generations. His death marked the end of an era, but his vision lived on. Sambhaji succeeded him, continuing the fight against the Mughals. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's life was not just the story of a warrior, it was the story of a leader, a reformer, and a nation builder. His dream of Swarajya laid the foundation for India's eventual independence. Even today, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is more than a historical figure. He is a symbol of resilience, courage, and justice. His forts, like Raigad, Sinhagarh, and Pratapgarh, stand tall, whispering tales of his valor to all who visit. His ideals of good governance, inclusivity, and people-centric leadership remain a benchmark for modern rulers. As we conclude this journey through Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's life, let us remember his words, "Never bend your head. Always hold it high." His life teaches us to rise above challenges, fight for what is right, and dream of a better future. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj wasn't just a king, he was a legend whose story will echo through the ages. Jai Bhavani. Jai Shivaji. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of books and stories, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Join us for more powerful stories, timeless classics, and inspiring tales that will enrich your mind and soul. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's explore the world of literature together. Your support means the world to us.